ABALIM, operating within the leading industrial group of our country, named ABALIM, was established as the first private feed enterprise in Dennisley in 1969. From that day on today, with the entrepreneurial spirit of sustainable growth, ABALIM is today proud to contribute to the country's economy as one of Turkey's largest industrial enterprises. ABALIM, which is headquartered in Izmir, continues production activities in its factories located in Dennisley, Biga, Polatlı, Mersin, Samsun, Turgutlu, Konya and Burdur. ABALIM engaged in high-quality feed productions with the brand name ABALIM for cattle raising, sheep and goat breeding and poultry farming, which provides an important contribution to the sustainable development of animal husbandry with an annual production capacity of 2.5 million tons. ABALIM breaking many new grounds in the sector with the principle of healthy and conscious livestock raising starts with healthy nutrition. Pioneering industry and carrying leadership flag is making production with international quality standards with the scope of ISO 9001 quality management system. ABALIM, which is aware of the importance of healthy and natural nutrition in the sustainable development of breeding, supplies high-quality raw materials and controls every step of the production process while producing feeds containing nutritional values necessary for the healthy development of livestock and dairy animals. ABALIM's total quality management and production standards requirement receives samples from supplied raw materials before entering the facility, and only the entry of appropriate standards of raw materials is allowed. All processes, such as taking raw materials following their arrival to the factory into silo and then milling, mixing and manufacturing, are computer controlled, and production is performed untouched and fully automated. Raw materials and products are controlled in the lab in every phase of production. This ensures a high-quality product standard. ABALIM, with the international calibration values in production, along with its half a century of experience in the feed sector, has made a difference in the sector with its knowledge, experience and expertise. Feeds found appropriate after the quality checks, made as a result of the production, are put into sacks complying with ABALIM's quality standards. Labels containing product information are sewn into sacks and shipped to customers. ABALIM, as a leader of the sector, has an advanced distribution network. ABALIM, delivering all of its products across Turkey with over 500 dealers and expert sales team, gives direction to its activities with an approach that prioritizes customer satisfaction along with the awareness of social responsibility. R&D departments, which take care of community health and work with the policy of continuous improvement, also observe contributions of the feeds that they develop during the improvement process of livestock and dairy animals. ABALIM's products serving the most suitable feeding solutions in different location stages have been developed to increase meat and milk productivity, as well as feed for livestock. ABALIM continues to work shoulder to shoulder with the growers, also in the process of consuming products, and shares half a century of expertise and experience with them. ABALIM giving trainings to growers for the purpose of ensuring healthy feeding of dairy animals and livestock. With the help of its expert technical team, closely monitors post-sale quality control processes. ABALIM, feeling right proud of creating value for the country's economy, has been a leading brand for the feed sector today with its 8 factories. Dennisley Feed Factory, 360,000 tons of feed and 45 tons of flakes are produced annually in the Dennisley feed plant, which is based on 66,500 square meters of land. In addition, 144,000 tons of corn drying process is performed. Biga Feed Factory, 150,000 tons of feed is produced annually in the Biga Feed Factory, which is based on an area of 41,000 square meters. Polatlı Feed Factory, 220,000 tonnes of feed is produced annually in the Polatla feed factory, which is based on an area of 25,071 square metres. Mersin Feed Factory. 240,000 tonnes of feed is produced annually in the Mersin Feed Factory, which is based on an area of 37,620 square metres. Samson Feed Factory. 250,000 tonnes of feed is produced annually in the Samson Feed Factory, which is based on 40,000 square metres of land. Turgutla Feed Factory. 520,000 tonnes of feed is produced annually in the Turgutla Feed Factory, which is based on an area of 56,000 square metres. Konya Feed Factory. 300,000 tonnes of feed and 45,000 tonnes of flakes are produced annually in the Konya Feed Plant, which is based on an area of 21,394 metres square. Burdur Feed Factory. 450,000 tonnes of feed is produced annually in the Burdur Feed Factory, which is based on 58,000 square metres of land. The first 6 months of nutrition is very important for a newborn calf in terms of meat and milk yield. ABALIM's start and grow feeds are produced with high quality standards for natural nutrition and healthy development of calves. ABALIM brand produces special feeds for different species in terms of proper nutrition and milk yield. These feeds, which provide high profitability, ensure the most appropriate nutrition at different yield levels and lactation stages. ABALIM brand has R&D studies focused on feed quality with the consciousness that the most important factor affecting the total income in livestock raising is to increase the conversion rate of the feed into meat. ABALIM brand quality feeds produced increase the profitability of the enterprises and ensure their continuity through conscious feeding techniques. ABALIM produces special feeds for small cattle species, feeds that fully meet the basic needs of animals in different periods and yield levels lead to higher efficiency. ABALIM's feeds produced for poultry farming support every step of poultry breeding, such as table egg, breeding egg, chicken production and chicken meat production. Feeds prepared with different formulas for poultry farming in different days and yields provide full nutrients for poultry animals. ABALIM provides great support to education, as well as being an institution that directly affects employment and regional development. ABALIOğlu's services in the field of education are crowned with Outstanding Service Award given by the Grand National Assembly of Turkey. A brand constantly evolving with its innovative and customer-focused structure, continuously growing with the importance of branding and investment in animal husbandry, producing for Turkey, working for Turkey, and growing with Turkey. ABALIM. We know that our most important capital is the reliance placed on us, and we have mobilized all our power to maintain this confidence. Orhan ABALIOğlu.